And it's on. The Chigee is now installed. All the cool features, interactivities, weather. We've got our cameras. Front cam. Then we come back, wired it all the way from the front to the rear. Rear cam. Go nice with the GoPro. We got it going, buddies. Aw, shit. All the apps here. SoundCloud, Rever. Oh, yes. Waze, Google Maps, News, phone calls, all of it. Looking good, looking good. Zoom, Teams. I can take calls on here at work while I'm on the bike. What? Waze, yes. Tell me about it. What I also like about this is that when I turn the power off, check it out. Whoa. 8 seconds to power off. How do you like that?